Pag may tumutubong kahoy, yung magandang kahoy, iwanan mo. Yung pangit, kunin mo para sa fire pag-apoy mo. Pag malakas ang ulan, mag-stay yung tubig doon sa pinuko dahil hindi biglang dadaloy dahil may forest yan, may kahoy-kahoy.
Ang problema ngayon ay yung mga irrigation, lack of water. Kaya we are trying to encourage farmers to protect their forests as source of water, even their old irrigation. Because I observed that young people are not interested to work in the rice field, and some of their parents are concentrating in wood carving, and they are cutting some of the trees in the forest, in the muyong. So that should not be. So we need to protect the muyong.